How to connect Telegram to BullX. Let's dive right in. First, log into your BullX account. If you don't have one, sign up at bullx.com. Once logged in, head to your account settings and look for the integrations or API section. This is where you'll connect third-party apps like Telegram. Now, open Telegram. This links your BullX account securely. Double check permissions, ensure the bot can access alerts, trades, or data you want to monitor. Confirm the connection and you will see a success notification in both BullX and Telegram. If everything's set up right, you will see it pop up in your Telegram chat instantly. Stuck? Make sure your API token is correct and your Telegram app is updated. Still issues? Drop a comment and I'll help you out. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.